What's up, guys? Derek Johnson from the Freedom Factory, and today we're going to build a chatbot inside of ManyChat. So let's just get right to it. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell for awesome content like this. With that being said, let's build a chatbot. Yesterday we kind of went through how to automate your email as soon as someone opts in. So I think the next step you want to do, go ahead and set up a chat bot. This is going to give you another contact point for people, and it's also going to free up more of your time. So I just set this one up, actually kind of building out the next step in my sequence. Basically, what you want to do is just get an account at ManyChat. They got a free version. So I just set this up. And basically, you want to go to Growth Tools. You'll click New Growth Tool, and you'll want to use the button. And this is what I did with mine. Basically, it's just an onboarding bot for Chirply. And I'll show you guys how this works here. So you can kind of see the flow here. It's going to give them access to their account with their login info. Shows them where they can get training inside of the bot. I actually give them a $10 credit to use on Twilio for sending text messages and making phone calls. And then I actually link them to my support group. So once they go through this flow, basically it's going to funnel them into a new sequence from there, which you can see down here. And basically my first message is just asking if they got their account set up okay. And if they did, I just say awesome. If you ever need help, go ahead and jump in the support group. Now I just set this up as well. And it's going to have that onboarding bot right here. So if they, for some reason, didn't get to that, they can go through it. Inside my support group, I have a questions thread where they can come and get their questions answered and all of that good stuff. So you can kind of see the flow here. Once it starts, people just come here, get all this good info that I don't have to send each person individually. I show them where to get training inside of Chirply, show them how to get a $10 credit when they first set up their account, and then send them a link to the support group. So what's cool about this is it's going to save you time, and it's also helping your customer service. Like you'll have a customer service rep just working 24/7 that you don't have to pay. They never call in sick. So it's really awesome. And you can kind of see here, this is another growth tool. It's actually for my widget here. So down here on my website, I installed the Chirply widget. And basically you can see out of the 18 people who have seen this, 27% have opted in. So I'm getting phone numbers. So that's awesome as well. Now, I thought this was kind of complex in the beginning, but it's actually super easy to build one of these chat bots. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know, and I will actually build one of these out for you. If you drop a comment on this video, I'm actually going to put a link to this right below, so you can kind of see my chatbot flow, how that works. And if you want to get one of these set up to start saving you some time, just let me know and I'll actually just go in and build that out for you. So now you'll have, if you listen to my last video, you'll have your email automation set up. You'll be getting notified when you're getting new leads or sales. And actually, you'll be delivering on those sales automatically. And now we're building out our support function. So after the sale, your customer has their product that's been delivered. Now we're actually going to support them. How many people support their customers? The people that do actually keep those customers longer. They're going to have a better relationship, and they're actually going to be doing more business with those people in the future. So that's kind of the purpose of setting up your support. And instead of having to support each person, we want to automate that process as much as possible as well. So we're sending people to a chatbot, which is giving them all the information they need to get started right away without us having to individually message each customer. And for those people who do need help, we send them right to the support group where they can jump in, and we set up a support thread in that group. And basically that's going to say, just drop your question here. You'll have an answer within 24 to 48 hours. So once you do that, your system is completely automated from the initial point of contact where you just find a lead, them opting in, them buying something, you delivering the product, and then you delivering the support. So you'll have a fully automated business, and all you have to do is continue building out your support, adding more value, and you'll just increase your conversions and happy customers in this manner. So if this is something you want to do, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and build out a chatbot for someone. I'll actually do it live on the next video. So if you want a chatbot, drop me a comment, and that'll be the next thing we do. Otherwise, I'm going to jump off here for now and finish working out, building out this Facebook group. So if you actually come to this link below, you can see exactly how this chatbot is going to work. You'll basically click it, and it's going to open in Messenger, and it's just going to start that flow. So everything I built out is going to just populate right inside of Facebook Messenger. And you can always come back in and edit this later, but it's just like anything else. Launch it perfectly, get something set up. You're going to get feedback as you go, but right away it's going to start saving you time. So highly recommend getting ManyChat. You can get a free account and get at least a couple of these set up for different things you want to automate. And like I said, people can just come here, join the support group, and then they're also in my chatbot list. So if I want to later, I can just come on here and build out this sequence with follow-up messages. So after one day, it's going to ask them, did you get access okay and get your account set up? They're going to tell me yes or no. And that's going to actually link them back to the support group again. And I can just continue to build this out over time. You can drip it out, once a day. Turn each response on or off after you've created the message. So it's just a cool tool to add to your business. And they do have a free account you can use. So highly recommend checking that out. If you're on the live, appreciate that. What's up, Justin? Patricia wants one of these. So if you guys want one of these, drop a comment, and I'm going to set one up for someone on the next live that I do. All right, appreciate you guys. Have a good Wednesday. I know it's hump day, so enjoy that. Mike.